Hello everyone, it's Peta from Facerobics. Thanks so much for coming by. Today we're going to be doing the neck exercise in Exercise Along With Me Series 5. Now it's actually a neck and jaw line exercise because it does help exercise the muscles underneath your neck, but it also helps exercise the jaw. So basically what we do is we put our fingers either side of our lips. We then run our lip, our bottom lip, over the top of the top one, and as we do we push the chin out. So let's have a go. It's really easy to do it. It will form, like sometimes we have orange peeling when we sort of tense up our chin, but it doesn't matter because obviously it goes away, it's under the skin. So what you're doing is tensing it up. It's quite a strong exercise. It's not a gentle exercise. So it's not a hard exercise to do, but it is a strong one. You can squeeze the muscles quite easily with it. And really, that's really all there is to that exercise. You will feel the muscles under here, you will feel it along here, and you'll hear a slight vibration in your ears as well. And when all of that's happening, you'll know that you're doing it correctly. Okay? If you've got any questions, please pop them into the comments box below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Please do subscribe to the channel because you get all these free updates, and you should be able to follow Facerobics without having to join the gym because there's so much on the site about it. But if you do want to join the gym, the link is at the top going across now. Also, I want to let you know that the price is going up, so if you join now, you will only pay half price the next time round when you join, because all current members will only pay half price, because that's really my gift to you, because why should you have to pay full price? I think that that's fair. New people coming in will pay full price, but it's not that much anyway. So please do consider joining the gym now because it will help you save some money if you're thinking about doing it. All right guys, well you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Little by little, piece by piece.